In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template out of a calendar in Asana. If you run repeating schedules, like content calendars, campaigns, or recurring launches, turning a well-structured calendar project into a template will save you tons of time and keep your team consistent. Start by opening the calendar project you want to reuse, give it a quick tune-up so the structure is exactly how you want it to appear every time. Check task names for clarity, make sure sections are organized, confirm due dates line up, and review any custom fields you rely on. This is also the moment to strip out personal or one-off details like ad hoc notes or temporary tasks so your template stays clean and reusable. Optionally, switch the project to calendar view to confirm the layout visually. On the top bar, click Calendar. Scan for stray tasks that don't belong, verify color coding matches your categories, and make sure everything is grouped the way you expect. It's much easier to fix layout issues now than after you publish the template. Next, open the Project Actions menu. In the top right, click the three dots for more options, then choose Convert to Template. If you don't see that option, you may not have the right permissions or your plan handles templates under Custom Templates. Check with your admin or your workspace settings. When prompted, choose Create Template. You'll set the template name and a concise description so teammates know when to use it. Pick a template type like marketing or operations to keep things organized, then choose who can use the template, which could be just you, your team, or your entire organization depending on your plan. Click Create Template to continue. Now customize the template so it's truly plug and play. Add clear task instructions and consider leaving task owners unassigned so you can assign the right people when you spin up a project. Set relative due dates such as 7 days after project start or 2 days before launch, so timelines adjust automatically. Add any helpful rules or automations and include the custom fields you'll need. Tip: switch from calendar to list view while editing. It's faster and templates work in any layout. When you're finished, publish your work. Click Publish Template and give it a moment to process. Your new template will appear under Team, Templates, or under Organization Templates if your plan uses that area. That's it. Your calendar is now a reusable template, ready to launch your next project with confidence.